Hello learners, today we will study chapter 2 section B, a house of tires. See this picture, this type of house, do you have seen this type of house? Sure, your answer will be no. Because in India, these type of houses are only in Karuna farm in Kodaikanal. Now let's start with warm up section. Now students, you have lot of free time in the house. So why not you use your free time with this warm up section? Think of new and creative ways to use the items given in the box. File binder, old socks, old rubber band, used ball pen refills, tin cans, safety pins, fused bulbs, plastic bottles. This is your work to think a creative way to use these items. Now let's start the chapter. The ability to live completely in a sustainable manner is now a reality thanks to solar homes known as Earthship. These are known as Earthship. These houses are totally made with natural and reused material. The U-shaped building utilize available natural resources like solar energy and use solar energy also. An Earthship is absolutely independent of all public and municipal utilities. That's why Renault called it off the grid. Off the grid means independent of all public and municipal utilities. Like in or into a situation or place in which electricity from the public electricity system is not used. And here sustainable manner, living in sustainable manner means capable of being maintained at a steady level without exhausting natural resources or causing severe ecological damage. In the mountain of New Mexico, USA, Renault has built 15 cliff-top homes which, as well as providing a view, were designed to prove that Earthships could be built anywhere. Renault made in New Mexico, USA, he built 15 cliff top. Cliff top means an area of land at the top of a cliff. He built this type of houses and it was proved that Earthship could be built anywhere. An Earthship house is made up of rammed earth. Rammed means loose soil and tires. The tires are stacked like bricks. Stacked means pile up. Like bricks are piled up in brick houses, in the same way in these houses tires are stacked like bricks. Each tire has earth pounded. In every tire earth is pounded into them until firmly packed. We have to pack the tire with soil until it is firmly packed. Once the tire are packed, they are very difficult to move. Means tire become heavy and form quite a dense wall. The walls are load bearing and provide thermal mass, which is an important attribute of any energy efficient house. The load bearing means house are these walls are load bearing means supporting or capable of bearing load and provide thermal mass. And what is thermal mass? Thermal mass is the ability of material to absorb and store heat energy. This wall now become load bearing and provide thermal mass. The thermal mass stores heat and release the heat slowly. During day, Earthship store heat and at night release the heat. This keeps the indoor temperature constant because it is storing heat and at night it is releasing the heat, so indoor temperature constant while outside temperature fluctuate. Once the walls are in place, the walls are quite often plastered. Once these tires are in place, the walls are plastered like these cement houses, okay, plastered, and appear very similar to a house built of clay. And these houses are appearing like clay houses. Even sewage is not spared, and sewage, the waste material, the garbage, it is that was also not spared, and that garbage is used in indoor and outdoor treatment cells for food production and landscaping. Leftover grey water is also used to flush toilets. Means in these type of houses we are not wasting anything. Most modern amenities Most modern amenities such as plumbing, heating, power, and even internet are provided in self-sufficient way to change the face of remote living. Means all facilities. Amenities means facilities. Plumbing like system of pipes fitting. Remote living means far from urban areas and are isolated community from highly populated settlement. So all facilities are there in this earthship. See this picture. In this picture you can see the tires and bottles are also used in this picture. The construction uses natural cross ventilation to regulate internal temperature for comfort. Now see this picture, second picture here. A lot of people think of the grid living is like living in some kind of teepee. Teepee means like tent. So many people think that these type of houses like teepee only. Teepee means conical tent made of skin. But Reynolds say this is pretty nice house. These houses are very beautiful. You can see in this picture, in second picture. The earthship range in price from $250,000 to $1.5 million. Earthship have been built across the USA, have entered Europe, and relief projects are being developed in Malawi, Guatemala, Haiti, India, Jamaica, Philippines, and New Zealand. Fundraising it is an agency. It is an agency is taking place for a self-sustaining music school on Easter Island. Easter Island. Now you have to find Easter. Where is Easter Island in world map? This is your homework. Okay, you have to find Easter Island in world map. One of the most remote location in the world. Easter Island is one of the most remote location in the world. So you have to find in world map Easter Island. But the spread of these ships has not been plain sailing. Means not effortless, as they radical. Their means extreme design breaks most architectural rules. Reynolds has battled with local government about the earthship's meeting structural codes. Also, there could be the risk of toxins leaking from the tires into the soil. Then also Reynolds take some risk and build this type of houses. However, many people are coming around to this point of view. His fights are being won, as hundreds now live or use this uniquely designed building around the world. The company's next goal is to expand from remote living to more self-sufficient cities, which would be more affordable and sustainable to build an earthship city. Self-sufficient means intellectually independent. This type of now next this company's next goal to expand from remote living to more self-sufficient cities. Means there they can means if he made this type of earthship in self-sufficient cities, that is very affordable and sustainable to build. If some government or corporation, now Reynolds is saying, if some government or corporation was getting ready to do a city, if they are getting ready to make a city for 10,000 people, they would spend 10 years putting up infrastructure to support that city, power and sewage. Conclude Reynolds, we don't need that. Reynolds is saying that we don't need that. If I had 1,000 acres, if he had only 1,000 acre land somewhere and funding, and he could start building a city tomorrow, then he could start to build this type of city, this type of earthship tomorrow. Okay student, this is all about this chapter. Here our chapter is finished, house of tires. Okay.